Okay, so we're looking at some function notation here, and this is where we're actually having to put two functions together and do an operation with that. So we need to understand, kind of what this is saying. When you look at f parentheses n and g parentheses n, you would say f of n or g of n, find f of 7 minus g of 7. Okay, so think about it started f of n equals, and now we have f of 7. So think about what happened. The n was replaced with a 7. It was substituted. It was plugged in with the value of 7. And so essentially, we're saying, let's find the function, but when n equals 7. So the function for f is 2n, and we're going to replace the n with 7, minus g of 7 here. Well, that means we're replacing n plus 5 with what is n? N is 7. So that's interesting. And that is not always the case. It's not always going to be f of 7 minus g of 7 or f of 2 minus g of 2. They just wanted us to use the value of 7 for both n values here. Okay, so now we've replaced that. Notice something that I put here. This is important because you'll get the wrong answer if you don't do this. You need to put parentheses around this because you're subtracting the entire g of n value, or g of 7. So you're subtracting all of n plus 5. Okay, not just the n value, but all of it. All right, so let's start to clean this up. 2 times 7 is 14, minus 7 plus 5 is 12. So this is simply 14 minus 12, which is 2. So that's our answer to that question. Okay, so this notation can be tricky. I have lots more videos on notation. And if you're in the membership, there's a whole master class just on function notation. So you can watch all of that and get all the instruction and help that, hopefully everything that'll get you situated for that. All right, have a great rest of your day.